everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Shein gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've got a Shein gift card with you and you don't know how to use it online, then you've landed in the right place. You can simply use your gift card while making a purchase from Shein.com website and use it as a payment method. Now let's get started. Simply open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, simply go ahead and type in Shein.com into the URL box and press enter. You'll be taken to the official website of Shein. Now log into your Shein account, and once you are logged in, select an item you'd like to purchase with Shein. Add it in the shopping bag and open up your shopping bag. After you are done, hover over to the bag icon at the top right, which should bring up this expanded menu. Click the View Bag button, and once you are done, go ahead and select the quantity of the purchase you'd like to make, and after everything's done, click on the Checkout Now button on the right hand side. Once you do that, enter your shipping address and other information regarding the purchase, and you can see the Payment Method tab at the bottom. Go ahead and select a payment method you'd like to make a purchase with. Or if you want to use your gift card as a payment method, in the right hand side of the screen you'll be able to see a gift cards tab. Enter the gift card number available with you right now. After you enter the 16-digit card number, enter the PIN number which should be available on your gift card itself, and finally click the apply button. Soon after you do that, the balance available on your gift card will be applied as a payment method with the purchase. The amount will be deducted from the gift card. If the payable balance is more than the remaining balance on the gift card, you must select another payment method to pay for the remaining amount. That is how you'll be able to use your gift card whenever you are making a purchase online with Shein.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.